Hi everyone, in this video, we'll talk about which is the best lead generation tools, Apollo.io versus AppLead versus Lucia versus ZoomInfo. Now, lead generation tools help business find and connect with potential customers by providing contact data, email verification, and company insights. Now, here's a quick comparison. First is the Apollo.io is best for sales and marketing automation, while the AppLead is best for high-quality B2B contract data, and Lucia is best for small teams and LinkedIn prospecting. And lastly, ZoomInfo is best for enterprise-level lead generation. Now for the accuracy. On the ZoomInfo, it has a high accuracy, but on the Lucia, it only has a moderate. While on the AppLead, it has a very high accuracy, and then on the Apollo, it is only high. Now, for the pricing, on the Apollo, it has a free and paid, which is $39 plus a month. On the AppLead, it has only a $74 a month subscription. On the Lucia, it has a free and paid subscription, which is about $29 plus a month. On the ZoomInfo, you can custom pricing. But it is expensive. Now, on the best for budget, Apollo is best for free plan. On the AppLead, it has no free plan. On the Lucia, it is affordable for small teams. And on the ZoomInfo, it is expensive. Now, I'll just talk about the pros and cons of each APA of each website. First, the Apollo.io. It has a large database with sales automation and email sequencing, best free plan, affordable for small business, and AI-driven lead recommendations. While some of its cons are some data may be outdated compared to AppLead, and phone numbers may have lower accuracy. On the AppLead, some of its pros are most accurate contact data, email verification including in pricing, no charge for invalid emails, and advanced filtering options. While some of its cons are more expensive than Apollo, no sales engagement tools like Apollo. On the Lucia, some of its pros are for simple and easy to use Chrome extension, affordable for small businesses, and pay-as-you-go credits available. Some of its cons are smaller database than Apollo and ZoomInfo, and limited features. Now lastly, for the ZoomInfo. For its pros, first, enterprise-grade data with firmographics and intense signals. AI-powered insights for predictive analytics and deep integrations with CRMs. Some of its cons are first, expensive, and lastly, overkill for small businesses. Now, choose Apollo.io if you have a small businesses and startups. Now, best for highly accurate leads is the AppLead. Best for LinkedIn prospecting is Lucia, and best for enterprises or large teams is the ZoomInfo. And that's basically it.